Last week, something happened in financial markets that hasn't happened before. SpaceX went public on the NASDAQ under the ticker SPCX, the biggest IPO in history. Not the biggest tech IPO, the biggest IPO of any company ever. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what this means for regular investors like us. The numbers. First, SpaceX priced at per share at a valuation of $1.77 trillion, making it the seventh biggest company in the US, above Tesla. They raised $75 billion in a single day. For context, the previous record holder was Saudi Aramco at $29 billion. SpaceX raised more than double that. What does SpaceX actually do that justifies this valuation? 3 businesses in one company. First, rocket launches. They dominate commercial space launch globally with reusable rockets that have transformed the economics of getting to space. Second, Starlink. Over 9,600 satellites as of early 2026, building a global subscription internet business with recurring cash flows. Third, AI infrastructure. The most speculative part, orbital data centers, powered by solar energy to support AI computing. The bull case. Space is genuinely the next frontier of infrastructure. Starlink is already generating billions in recurring subscription revenue. They have at least a decade lead over any competitor in rocket technology. This is a once-in-a-generation company going public. The bear case. One analyst valued SpaceX at $63 per share, less than half the IPO price, calling it significantly overvalued. The company is burning enormous amounts of cash. Elon Musk's controlling ownership means minority shareholders have limited power. The AI orbital data center business is highly speculative. The honest answer, for regular investors, this is not a simple buy or avoid decision. It is a high conviction, long duration, high risk bet on the future of space and AI infrastructure. If you believe in that future and have a 20-plus year horizon, there is a case. If you are looking for stable returns on a reasonable valuation, this is not the stock for you right now. The most important principle applies here, as always. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose in a single speculative position. If you want exposure, keep it to a small percentage of a diversified portfolio. The excitement around a landmark IPO is real. The financial risk is also real.